everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw LeChonk from Pokemon. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with LeChonk, let's begin with the ear. So you want to begin here, and we're going to make a shape that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and then we're going to come back here. So we're just going to go up. We bring this down. It's going to come to a point, we're going to come over and then bring it up here. Almost like we're making like a leaf, but we don't close it in. Now, the eye's going to be right underneath here. You want to draw a line that comes down. We curve it like this, and then bring this line down here. For the pupil, you just go down and then up. And we can go ahead and color that in too. Now he's got this little design underneath his eye. So let's just make a smiley face shape like this. We'll make a little oval shape that goes out and then comes back here. Now, starting here really close to the tip of the ear, we're going to begin the nose. So we want to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and we're going to go over. We're going to bring this down. We're going to come over. Then we're going to bring this up, but we're not going to quite connect it there. Right here, let's make a little sad face shape. And right here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come up. Now, the nostrils are going to be really big. So we're going to make a tall, skinny oval right here for one nostril. And then we're going to make another tall, skinny one right over here for the second nostril. Starting here, let's make a line that curves down. And then in here, we'll draw a line that comes down. We're going to go over and up for the leg. We'll also draw a little curved line here. And for the foot, we'll make a sad face. Now we'll make another one here. We'll go down. This time we'll come out, and then we're going to bring it back and up here. Then let's go ahead and connect it here. Right here, let's continue that curve just a little bit. We'll make the same leg that we did here. So all we do is go down, come over a slight curve, and then bring it up here. We'll draw a line that's going to come up and down for that foot. And then this time we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve this way. Now we want to draw the body, and the body's going to be a nice big curve that's going to come all the way to this leg. So we're going to start right about here on the nose. We're going to make a nice round curved shape that's going to come all the way to here. Now let's make this ear. So this ear is going to look a little bit different from this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing a line that's going to come out, and we're going to go down. We're going to bring this up and in. And then a little line that curves here. Next, up here for the tail, let's just bring this up, and then bring another one right here that comes up a little bit. Now, let's start out here And to make this curly tail, we'll just come up, and then we'll bring it right to about here. Kind of like a big curly Q. Now let's take this, let's put a little curve on it, and we're going to go up and bring it right to here, trying to line up with this line. Now let's add a couple little details on here. Inside this ear, we'll make a little line that comes over, and then we'll draw a line that curves right to here. On this ear, let's just draw a line that's going to come down. And right on top of the head, we'll draw a line that's going to come up and down. Starting here, we'll bring this line in. And then we'll just bring this down to here. And there you go, there is your drawing of LeChonk from Pokemon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.